like landlord for Good Pussy Avenue. You have to have an access code to come from Good Pussy Avenue. 411 check with any girl man. Gonna have take a girl man. Landlord.